When I think about how Dean and I have created a conscious connection with each other, I know that one of the ways that we've done that is by being real with each other, which requires facing life directly.
And what I notice is, when I feel disconnected from Michele or myself, that almost all the time it's something that I'm not facing. And it could be the tiniest thing, like, reading the news in the morning and having some feelings about it, but then just kind of pushing it away and like, no big deal.
And what we've noticed in our relationship is one of the greatest tools that we learned in the Hendricks work that we've done is facing, accepting, choosing, and taking action, F.A.C.T. And you can use just facing, and it creates amazing transformation right away. So rather than building up static from, oh, that's not really a big deal, oh, that's not really a big deal, actually letting yourself use this tool to keep the pipes clean so that you're not creating static that gets into in the way of our relationship.
Yeah.
All this static is going, and it creates a disconnect.
Yeah, so one of the agreements that Michele and I made together is to be real. And if I'm looking a little off, or she is, that she can call me out and go, hey, what's going on over there? What's happening? And then for me, if I feel defensive, like I'm fine, like nothing's wrong, then that's the clue that something is happening. And so for me to just go, I wonder what I'm not facing directly right now. I wonder what I'm not facing directly right now. And it's such a powerful sentence because it really focuses me in and then notice, what's happening in my body right now. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful tool to use.
And this tool is a powerful way to use our whole body intelligence to find out what is going on inside of us. And so if you want to take it a little bit further, what you can do is when you come up with your issue, this is, something like, well, my partner's telling me that I'm cranky and I don't think I'm cranky. What you can do is take that issue and place it somewhere around you. So I'm going to place it right here. And then you can let yourself face it fully and then turn away. Face it fully and turn away. And check in with your breathing. Get in a nice rhythm with your breathing. And getting a pleasant helps us go into our wonder and our creativity. I wonder what it is that I'm not facing directly as you face into that issue. And it just ups the game of connection in your body. And I find it's an incredible way to get real, to be present, and to be able to create connection, conscious connection between us. So try F.A.C.T. and let us know how that goes for you.